Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going ahead to introduce our newest products on my right hand. We can see these hand sinks from manufacturers. They offer the faucets coming with the hot waters, cold water connections, and also having a filters, small hinge holders. They can put the bike mount on the wall to secure the hand sinks. And also, let's take a look at the overall side dimensions first. The unit's length is about 50 inches wide, and depth about like a 15.5 inches deep. And the height for the unit is about like a 13.5 inches tall. Let's take a look at the measurements for the sink, the bowl. For this bowl dimensions, it's about like a 1 feet wide and 10.5 inches deep. And it's almost about like a 5.5 inches tall. For the diameters between the center of the rings of the hole, they are about like 4 inches long. Thank you for watching the videos. This is all information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.